Now we be the tomorrow. Now we go build the Naija where we dey dream. Now only we go still turn am better.
From the night, African revolution be coming.